I'm Nicky Gavron, I'm Deputy Chair of the Planning and Housing Committee of the London Assembly. Today we've launched the report of our investigation into the management of public space. Public space is a very, very important asset for London and for Londoners. It's where, in a sense, we live. In our parks, in our streets, in our squares, on the waterfront, in our thoroughfares. And it's a very big part of what London has to offer to its workforce, to its residents and to its visitors. What we found in our investigation is that increasingly this space is now being owned and managed privately. That's partly because there are a lot of pressures, and those too are going to increase. There are pressures on boroughs in terms of their budgets. So it makes sense for the developers to be maintaining and managing the space. But what we also found is that although there are many good examples of management and good spaces, well designed, well maintained, there are also spaces where the rules are too restrictive. The planning system hasn't caught up with the fact that increasingly public space is being privately managed. What we want to see is the Mayor requiring, through planning guidance, that there are proper agreements between boroughs and developers in terms of the use and availability of public space for all Londoners. And we want the Mayor to produce planning guidance, and we want the boroughs to have these agreements. We also want to bring in the community as early as possible to work with developers and boroughs.